state esclusività delle porte. Igienizzate frequentemente le mani, anche utilizzando gli appositi dispenser presenti al bordo treno ed evitate di toccare il viso. Questo treno viene certificato in conformità ai protocolli previsti dal Ministero della Salute. Acquistate i vostri biglietti e abbonamenti su Trenitalia.com e anche per informazioni e assistenza chiamate il numero verde gratuito 800 89 16 21. Vi ringraziamo per la collaborazione e vi auguriamo un buon viaggio.
Dear passengers, we ask you a couple of minutes of your time to tell you very few simple rules for a safe and pleasant journey. You have to wear a mask covering the nose and mouth. Any violation will be submitted to competent authorities and it may lead to a disruption of service in the first available station. Trenitalia staff wear protection devices for everyone to be safe on board. Ticket checking is complex. Have your ticket from hand in order to be able to show the QR code to the train manager. Prepare yourself in advance to get off the train, following the floor signs telling you the way to exit doors. Please do not stand next to the doors. You should sanitize your hands frequently. You may also use the dispensers available on board. Avoid touching your face. This train is sanitized daily